10 Amazon Home Finds. These solar-powered lights are designed to turn on automatically at dusk and off at dawn. Don't need any switches or maintenance. Just install and enjoy lighting night after night. This basket is designed to corral frequently used items right on the steps, then lift effortlessly to transfer everything between floors. This triple-section laundry hamper makes sorting easy with removable bags that have handles for carrying and snap back into place after washing. This modular fabric storage system features customizable collapsible bins with sturdy bases, dust-proof zippers, and transparent panels. And it transforms wasted space under the bed into an organized haven. These sheets are designed to fit in pockets, dissolving instantly in water for quick washes during flights, hikes, or school days. These heavy-duty sheet straps are designed to keep your fitted sheets securely in place all night, with ultra-strong corner grips that work on any mattress size. This Smart Sensors vacuum are designed to scan mattress grime levels, adjusting power automatically until the clean green light appears. This multifunctional storage is designed to maximize space, with instant organization featuring built-in dividers to separate blankets and pillows. This wireless thermal label printer is designed for effortless customization, letting you create labels with personalized fonts, graphics, and borders. This tower fan is designed for whisper quiet cooling, featuring customizable speeds, a sleep mode, and a powerful airflow that reaches up to 29 feet, strong enough to replace AC.